Hello, welcome to the introduction to freelancing. Today we're going to talk about how you can create your task in Freelancer payment option. So we have two slides to create. The first one is the freelancer payment options with no bank account. So we're going to talk about this first. For example, you don't have any bank accounts, but you can create or yeah, you can create your Gcash wallet. So we will use this on the second on the first slide. Capture the dashboard of your Gcash with your name visible and should also be fully verified. When you say fully verified, it's all checked there. The flow is all checked. Then on the next slide is the PayPal account activated. So we have discussed about how to create the PayPal account. So go to your dashboard, then screenshot this part and highlight your name there. This part, highlight this. Okay. Then for Payoneer account, for activated Payoneer account, your name should be visible in Payoneer account. Spelling to should be visible. Payoneer account activated. So go to settings. Then go to verification settings under required tab. Status should be no open requirements. So it should be like this. So verification settings, dito ka lalabas when you are there. I-highlight mo yung when you capture the screen or kapag na screenshot mo, highlight your name. Then in the verification center, itong required, highlight required, then no open requirements. Next is PayPal and Payoneer verification via GCash. So after you are done with PayPal and Payoneer account creation, we're going to verify that through GCash. I have already discussed that on the other lesson, on the lesson videos for freelancer payment options. Okay, so capture it and okay, so when your PayPal and Payoneer is verified via GCash, it should be highlighted. Your PayPal and Payoneer should be highlighted. And yun. When I say highlighted, the other parts are gray. Okay? Then on the next part is creating an account, the task for freelancer payment options with bank accounts. So there are two slides that you are going to submit. So the first slide is your bank account created under your name. So inano ko lang yung card number. I just cover it and activated under your name. A picture of your ATM card. Then bank account created under your name and activated under your name. So make sure na meron ka ng online banking with the account that you have activated. Okay, then screenshot your name. Okay, so on the next slide is the PayPal account activated. So punta ka ulit dun sa settings where you can see your email and your highlight. Then highlight this. Okay, so this is your guide. You just have to look at the sample so you can do it. Okay, so next, after that, itong screen naman. Okay, so nandito siya sa account preferences, then yung bank accounts, lumabas dito because I have already connected my BDO to the PayPal. So lalabas siya because it is already linked. You can also link another bank account. It's up to you. Then cards. So ito. Highlight this part and this part. Okay. Then Payoneer account activated. So it's the same with the other slide. Should be visible. Your name should be visible. Payoneer. Bakit ba ganito? Payoneer account activated. Then when you go to settings, lalabas yung verification settings. Capture this, then highlight the required and no open requirements. Okay, so on the last part is the Payoneer account. I-click nyo itong bank na nakalink, then ito yung lalabas. You capture this. Okay, so that's all. And if you need assistance and you want more, if you have more questions, that just send me a direct message. Thank you so much.